Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start the miscellaneous exercise of chapter 7. This is the first question, integrate the functions. Here we can take x common from the denominator, and after taking x common we are left with 1 minus x square in the bracket, which can be factorized as 1 minus x into 1 plus x. Now here it is a proper rational function, so we can do partial fractions. Let us take it equal to a upon x plus b upon 1 minus x plus c upon 1 plus x. Multiplying every term by the LCM, that is x into 1 minus x into 1 plus x, we get 1 equal to a into 1 minus x 1 plus x plus b x into 1 plus x, or c x into 1 minus x. Now to find the ABC, we can put x equal to 1. When you put x equal to 1, the first and third term of the right hand side becomes 0, and here it becomes 2b, and on the left hand side we have 1. So 1 equal to 2b, so b equal to half. Then put x equal to minus 1, and when you put x equal to minus 1, it becomes, this term becomes 0, this term becomes 0, and here we have minus 2c equal 1. So c equal minus 1 by 2, and then when you put x equal to 0, we get 1 equal to a. So the partial fractions becomes 1 by x plus half by 1 minus x minus half divided by 1 plus x. Integrate it separately, you will get log mod x plus half log mod 1 minus x divided by the differentiation of this, that is minus 1, minus half log 1 mod 1 plus x plus constant of integration. From all the terms you can take half common, then it becomes 2 log mod x minus log mod 1 minus x minus log mod 1 plus x. From these two terms minus can be taken common, and then it becomes log m plus log n, that is log m into n. So it becomes log mod x स्क्वायर, 2 log mod x को हम log mod x स्क्वायर लिख सकते हैं यूजिंग m log n इज इक्वल टू log n स्क्वायर, एंड यहाँ हमने log mn का यूज़ किया, so it becomes log mod 1 minus x square. Again now you can use here log m minus log n equal log m divided by log n, so it becomes half log mod x square divided by 1 minus x square plus constant of integration. Now this is the second question. To find its integration, first of all we will rationalize it, change the sign here minus, and then multiply numerator and denominator with it. We get root x minus plus a minus root x plus b divided by this. In the denominator you can use a plus b into a minus b, that is a square, and a square becomes here x plus a whole square, that is x plus a, minus b square, that is x root x plus b का whole square, which becomes x plus b. ब्रैकेट ओपन करेंगे तो x कैंसिल आउट हो गया, एंड इन डिनोमिनेटर यू हैव a minus b. This a minus b is constant, can be taken outside, and then integrate the numerators separately. x plus a to the power half का इंटीग्रेशन होगा x plus a to the power half plus 1, that is 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. इसी तरह से सेकेंड टर्म में x plus b to the power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. To बाय 3 लिख सकते हैं इसको हम, x प्लस a टू द पावर 3/2 minus 2/3 x plus b to the power 2/3. This 2/3 can be taken outside. Next question, 1 upon x root ax minus x square. Here it is of the form integral dx upon linear into under root quadratic. So we can put linear factor as t, that is x equal to 1 by t. Then dx will be minus 1 by t square dt. So the integrand becomes minus dt upon t square, and here it becomes 1 by t root a upon t minus 1 by t square. It becomes at minus 1 divided by root t square, which becomes t, and this t, both the t's multiply together to form t square, which will get cancelled with this t square of the numerator. So we are left with only integral dt upon root at minus 1. It can be written as at minus 1 to the power minus half. So its integration will be at minus 1 to the power minus half plus 1, that is half. So at minus 1 to the power half divided by half and differentiation of at minus 1, that is a, plus constant of integration. This can be written as twice minus 2 by a root a upon x, because t is 1 by x, minus 1 plus constant of integration. That's all for today. Thank you.